What if I told you that AI isn't just about creating images anymore? It's about rewriting them. There's a tool called Flux Kontext, and it's changing everything. You don't start from scratch. You don't need layers or masks. You just tell it what to change. Type, change background to surfing waves, add a surfboard. Done. Now make it fantasy lands, flying a dragon. Switch to a desert, aliens, a UFO, change the ball to a cactus. And it all happens instantly, while keeping the style, the characters, the vibe completely intact. It's fast, it's precise. It's a true Photoshop killer. And it's already integrated into platforms like Freepik, Krea, and Leonardo. This isn't just AI art, it's AI editing redefined. So here's the real question. If you could rewrite reality with a single sentence, what would you change first?